Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can receive emails using Python. So usually you'd have to use this code for receiving emails. However, there's a much easier way and simpler way of receiving emails. That is using the module EasyImap. So let's just install the module EasyImap. And if you can also install the module called IPython. It's like an interactive command shell that you can run in the command prompt. So now let's just run it. Open the command prompt and IPython. So this will open the shell. So first let's import EasyImap E. So now let's just declare the variables for our email ID and password. And your username, your email ID. So the next thing that we have to do is connect to the IMAP server. So for that, let's just create an object that connects us to the server. So e.connect and IMAP. So this mentions which server it should connect to, the Gmail server. And now I use its email ID and the password. Okay, so the next thing that we have to do is server.list IDs. So what this method does is that it returns a list of the IDs of unread emails. So as you can see, all of these are my unread emails. So now that we have the ID, we can get the email. So the latest one is B56. So let's just try mail is equal to, let's just say email is equal to server.mail, and now server.list IDs. So the first element of this server's.list ID. Let's just see. Yes, so and now for printing, let's just try email.title. So this prints the title of the email. And now for the from address, and for getting the main body of the email, we just have to write email.body. So as you can see, everything has been printed. There's no error if it's an HTML email, XML email, no matter which format it is in. And if there are attachments, all we have to do is email.attachment. So since there are no attachments over here, it returns a blank list. If there are any attachments, it just returns the name of the attachment and the format. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.